Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Eat, Love, and Explore. My name is Archie. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the rim case for Tesla Model Y that we got from our new sponsor, MAGBAK. Let's get started. Let's go. Thank you, MAGBAK, for reaching out to us and sent us this awesome product. If you go to their website, magbak.com, they offer mostly magnetic cell phone cases, chargers, phone wallets, and stuff. But they also have this wireless mount slash charger for cell phones that is designed for Tesla Model Y or Model 3. And rim case for Tesla Model Y and Model 3. This rim case will protect your rims, and also it will hide if you have an existing curb rash. It's really easy to install. They have two different sizes, 20-inch induction wheel and 21-inch Uberturbine wheel. They have different colors like black, red, and white. It's $249 right now, but if you use our discount code ELE15, you will get an extra 15% off. I'm gonna go ahead and open one of these boxes. Alright, so this rim case is for Tesla Model Y. Inside the box, it should have 10 segments and one valve segment. Okay, let's go ahead and open the box. I really like the box. It looks like iPhone boxes. Alright, see, I believe this is the instruction, PPF stickers. I believe this for the edges. This one is for in between those spokes. We have some alcohol wipes for cleaning, and these are the segments. It feels good. It's this one is a matte black. All right, let's take this rubber band off and let's see what we have here. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 segments and one for valve segment. All right, now let's go ahead and do the installation process. Let's do it. First step is to clean your rims with a cleaner and provided alcohol wipes. Next, peel off the protected films and apply them onto the spokes. Take your time, it doesn't have to be perfect. Next is to apply the second set of films in between the spokes. It's okay if they have bubbles. We are going to cover them anyways with the rim case. Now that we have all the protective films installed, remove the 3M tape backing. I'm going to start attaching each segment. Starting from the air valve, I'm going to kind of tilt the segment a little bit, then push with a little force. I'm going to do the same with each and every segment all the way around, counterclockwise. When you get to the very last segment, you can use this little pry tool that they provided to pop the final piece behind the first piece. There you go. That's it. Just make sure they are lined up and do the exact steps to the rest of the wheels. Alright, all done. And it was very easy to do. The easiest part was actually attaching the segment pieces to the wheel. They look perfect, they look seamless. Nobody would even notice. I really like this rim case because not only will protect your rims, you can also hide the existing curb rash, and if you rub up against the curve and you damage your rim case, the damaged pieces can actually be removed and replaced with the new ones. Go ahead and get yourself the MAGBAK RimCase. It is a game changer. I will leave our affiliate link down in the description below, and you can use the discount code ELE15 for 15% off your purchase. Hope this video has been helpful for you, and if you haven't already, please show some love. Hit the like button and subscribe. We will see you in the next video.